married devotee, who we call Grihastha, and he's learning about Raganuga Bhakti and wanting to start, and thinking that the requirements to start Raganuga Bhakti are to be totally detached or pretty much fully in control of one's senses and not much engaged in material life of any sort. But it's not quite right. This may be these are the prerequisites. The prerequisites or the requirements or the needs to begin Vaidhi sadhana. Vaidhi sadhana may require a certain amount of inner purification, because someone is a gross materialist and grossly attached to sense gratification and material enjoyment. It will be difficult, highly unlikely that he would take up any spiritual practice which would demand any vidhi nisheda, any rules or regulations. Because yoga, all forms of yoga, they start off with some yam niyam, do's and don'ts. Be a vegetarian. Oh, I don't want to be a vegetarian. So you can't get far. So already you've accepted so many niyams, so many rules, and you've taken Vaishnava Diksha, and you're properly married, and everything is quite spiritual and quite dharmic, and you're following the path of Vaidhi sadhana very nicely. Raganuga path, Vishnu Chakravarti Pad is telling in this book, I'm reiterating, maybe you didn't see it or couldn't catch it, but in Ragvartman Chandrika, he says you can begin this path of Ragmarg, worshipping Radha and Krishna in the mood of Vrindavan, following the resonance of Vrindavan, at the level of anartha nivritti. Anartha nivritti means we're full of, you and I, or the person may be full of greed and full of anger, very, very lusty person, very, very angry person, very, very envious person, very, very attached person, really attached to his husband or wife, and really can't, live without them, and all that goes with that. And then, and like to eat really heavy chak bhog, tasty foods, and all these things, and wear nice clothes and have a fast car. It has nothing at all to do with it. Has nothing to do with the Ragmarg. Because you have all those things, and that's what you're all about. But at the same time, you're about being a devotee. A big, strong part of you is there's the wanna be me, and there's the be me. the be me and the wanna be me. So I want to be like this. I want to be a totally pure, peaceful, rustic, blissful devotee. But I have a lot of karmic baggage, a lot of karmic, purva karma that I have to work. I'm working out my karma, as they say. Really, I'm not working it out. It's working me out. It's working me over. Like someone beats you up, we say, he worked me over, And you maybe know about that more. So we're being beat up by our karma, so to speak. But the point is that don't worry about that. The main element here to begin Rag Marg, which Rupa Goswami Pad explains in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, is that you have greed, lobha. We have greed. We have so much greed for so many things. Fine clothes and travel and this, possessing this and possessing that and having this and having that. Forget it. That's okay. But not so good, but okay, it's there. But the real thing is greed for Radha and Krishna, greed for Vrindavan, greed for Radha Krishna Leela. I want to read all about the Leelas of Radha and Krishna. I want to just see how beautiful. I just want to look at paintings all day of Radha and Krishna and swing festival and throwing color and Holi and Julan and going in Ras Leela. I see this Ras Leela painting. It's so beautiful. I wish I could be there. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, it's so nice. Radharani's playing Veena. I wonder what it sounds like. That means greed. Whether you're 10 years old or 5 years old, or you're married or unmarried, or a total hedonist, and Ravana incarnate, Ravan incarnate, doesn't matter if this greed for Krishna is there. It's like the sun. No matter how much contamination is there, the sun shines on the contamination. Is pure. It's pavitram. Ati pavitram, completely pure. Purna pavitram, completely pure, because the sun's so powerful. So Krishna Surya Samamaya Hai Andakar. Krishna Samasurya. Krishna is equal to Ram. Krishna's same. Equal to sun. Sriyamshu. So if you're in the light of Krishna, you're bathing in the light of Krishna Leela. reading all about the beautiful, beautiful form of Krishna and the qualities of Krishna, the 64 qualities, and Vena Madhurya, Lila Madhurya, Prema Madhurya, and Rupa Madhurya, and all the Leelas. You say, wow, this is so sweet, it's so attractive, it's so beautiful. I want to be there, I want to be part of it. Okay, that's really nice. Okay, I close this. Okay, let's go to a movie, enjoy. Okay, that chapter is closed, but it was open. And that chapter opens if you have lobha, that's greed. That's in 1-2-309. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Part 1, Chapter 2, Verse 309, at the end.